We're following a developing story out of Illinois where an entire healthcare system is down due to a cyber attack. The outage at Hospital Sisters Health System started a week ago today. Things are still not yet back to normal. 5 on your side's Laura Barcheski spoke with a patient who is just one of many struggling right now. Laura?
Mark, this patient tells me without physically going into one of their hospitals, he's been unable to get his prescriptions refilled for medication he needs to survive, which on the surface might be doable for some, but in reality is a lot harder for others. This is Brian Wilkerson. He's just one of thousands of patients in Illinois and Wisconsin affected by the Hospital Sisters Health System outage.
I've tried to call this whole past week and my phone calls are dropped. They ring, the phone will ring 4 or 5 times and then it just hangs up.
HSHS says all of their communication systems were compromised in what they called a cybersecurity incident. The latest statement came out on Friday.
We're receiving assistance from third-party experts, and we also are working with law enforcement. We have deployed additional security measures to safeguard our systems, and we have not detected any further unauthorized access in our IT environment.
Wilkerson says he takes roughly 13 medications a day and was told because of this outage he had to go to the hospital in person to refill his prescriptions. But he's wheelchair bound and a trip to the doctor is not an easy task for him or his senior neighbors in rural Illinois.
Drive 35 miles to the doctor and then 35 miles to the pharmacy and then 15 miles back home. So yeah, it's not just me. There's several seniors in this area are stuck fighting the same thing with healthcare.
HSHS has 11 offices and hospitals in Illinois affected by this cyber attack. St. Elizabeth's and O'Fallon had to close its convenient care, but said they were still able to treat emergency patients. They haven't said if patient information was compromised or when they'll be back up and running, which Wilkerson is even more worried about.
I just really hope it gets results, and I'm concerned more about my medical records being out there in no man's land now.
Today, the hospital system told us it is working with federal agencies. HSHS says the best place to get updates on the situation is a webpage they set up, hshsupdates.org, and we'll have a link to that on ksdk.com.